Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to excel in college. Begin by building consistent routines that support focus and energy, prioritize core classes, and break large projects into timed study blocks. Use a single planner for deadlines, batch similar tasks, and protect deep work with device-free sessions. Reach out for help early, attend office hours regularly, and celebrate small wins to keep momentum and reduce burnout. Adopt study methods that save time and build mastery, like active recall, spaced repetition, and interleaving concepts across subjects. Create concise notes, teach ideas to appear, and use timed practice to simulate exam pressure. Rotate topics to prevent plateaus, and track improvement with short quizzes. Keep study sessions focused and habit-driven so consistent effort compounds into strong grades without last-minute cramming. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep simple, save money, and keep dorm meals tidy without spills. They fit easily in backpacks and freezers, which helps when study sessions run late. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Grab one if it helps. Now let's get back to the video. Balance academics with campus life by using available resources, joining clubs that align with goals, and maintaining a manageable social calendar. Create a monthly budget, avoid high-interest debt, and seek internships early to build experience. Prioritize mental health through counseling or peer support, and network genuinely with professors for guidance and references. Small daily habits create a supportive environment for academic and personal growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.